Almost all we need a painless weight loss solution. It is true that sometimes we go through very difficult diet plans. We make our body suffer with exhausting exercises, but sometimes they simply do not work as they should do. And then we get depressed. We lose patience and start our own fattening lifestyle again. But you know, many things can change overnight or day, or sometimes you have to start slow with your weight loss mission, or it would be a nice morning combination. This mixture is prepared from a magical herbs known as black seed, rather popularly known as blessed seed, as it offers multiple health benefits. It is also known as Nigella sativa, a wonderful spice that is used mostly for adding flavor to various dishes. But apart from appealing flavors, it comes with lots of vital nutrients, proteins, fibers, fatty acids, vitamin, calcium, sodium, potassium, and many more. Several studies have decided that black seeds can also be considered as an amazing weight loss remedy. The best thing about black seed is, it offers natural and quicker weight loss solution without any kind of potential side effects. So, do you know how to use black seeds for weight loss? Using Nigella or black seed oil as a weight loss treatment is super easy. Now I will show you the mixture that can help you to lose up to 10 pounds in a month. Ingredients: black seed oil 2 tablespoons, cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon, pure organic honey 1 tablespoon, water 1 glass. Use room temperature water. Now just follow the recipe step by step. At first, prepare this mixture by combining 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder with 1 tablespoon of honey. Then add 2 tablespoons of black seed oil into the cinnamon and honey mixture. Mix the items well using spoon. Now during the soil mixture. Finally, drink a glass of water to complete the procedure. You should drink this mixture every day half an hour before breakfast. Guarantee that you do not eat anything up to half an hour after taking this mixture. The best part is that this miracle seeds not only effect in weight loss, but it also kill, as heart disease, diabetes, stroke, sleep apnea, osteoarthritis, constipation, hemorrhoids, and many more diseases to never heard of. Although, earlier I said there are no side effects of using black seed oil, but things like high doses of black seed oil may damage the kidney. You may experience some sort of skin problem. Of course, it is better for pregnant women to avoid this drink considering the well-being of the baby. Because of its popularity, lot of shops selling black seed oils on the market, but very few of them meets the level of quality that you should look for. When choosing your black seed oil, make sure that you get one that is extracted from Nigella sativa pure black seeds that are GMO-free and organic. This is all for today. You can also check out our other videos about weight loss.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this video, please leave it in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more important videos. Have a nice time.